What's up everyone, my name is Sahar and today I have to share something special with you guys. That is on 24th of January of 2019, that is this year, I went to a place in NIT Agartala where I never thought I will ever go in my entire college life. So as an NIT Agartala student, you might be guessing which place is it? It can be the bungalow, director's bungalow, it can be the international guest house, or it can be staff quarters. So I went in the international guest house of NIT Agartala. Have a look. So hope you guys enjoyed that small B-roll-ish footage, and I was also joined with my three friends, that is...
My name is Sushant and I'm from Andhra.
I'm Anush and we are here at NIT Agartala International Guest House and our Doraemon. How are you feeling, man?
Feeling normal, just normal.
So on that day we were also joined by a guest who came to visit our NIT Agartala for some work. We took him for a ride across the city and we went to many places. So check it out. First of all, we went to the Akora checkpost at the India-Bangladesh border. Then we breezed through the beautiful Agartala-Shabrum road to reach our destination, Nirmahal, the water palace. So during the whole day we were just roaming around, we didn't eat anything, we were damn hungry. So after we came back to NIT Agartala, Sushant and Anush went to Kumlung Bazaar to get some local dishes because our guest wanted to try out some of those. So they went there and brought them back, and so we get inside guest house once again. And look at this view, the sun has already set, it's dusk, and the birds over here in the lake. With all this beautiful scenery around the guest house, the lake and the beautiful lawn in front, the guest house is like a holiday resort.
Oh, you are still making a...
Yeah.
Hello guys. हम हैं NIT Agartala International Guest House के kitchen में. Look at guys, how maintained the things are. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? रतन शाह.
This is the dining room of the international guest house. And after our meal, we bid farewell to our guest. He went back to his home, to his work. So it was a nice and enjoyable day for all of us. We were all content. I was mostly content because I get to get inside the NIT Agartala International Guest House and get those footage and all that. So this is where we have to end this video. If you dislike this video, I can do anything but you can hit the dislike button. But if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. See you in the next one.